Good morning, everyone. This video is made with the purpose of telling you how to prepare your lessons, how to prepare your classes using Quizlet. First up, we have to go to Google. On Google, you'll write Quizlet. You click in here, and then you have to register. You can register with, you can complete this information you have in here, or you can log in with either Facebook or Google. Then you fill up your date of birth. You create a username. It would be really nice if you put your name. In my case, I'll put my name. And well, you fill up with other numbers. You click on I'm a teacher. After you create your account, you will be able to create your sets of vocabulary. Remember something very important. You don't have to register here. This premium is not necessary. You just have to go directly to a part that says create. So you create a unit. Skip this. Now in the title you have to write the name of the lesson that you want to prepare. For instance, let's say that you want to prepare unit 2, lesson 2, and you write the course it belongs to. For example, challenge 2. In the description you can write class preparation. Now the first thing you have to do is start filling up with words. So for example, let's say I want to write this phrasal verb, fill up. So it suggests, so you click in here. So it detects the language for the word. Now in here, to have a definition in English, you have to select English. And then it automatically generates the meaning of the word. We select one that you consider, and then you can click on an image. You select the image that you prefer. In my case, I prefer this one. And then you have to do it with minimum 3 words. So I'm gonna continue with other words. When you have at least 3 words, of course you can prepare with more words, that's the idea. But when you have at least 3 words, you can click on create. Now, it generates a link. This link is the evidence that we have about your class preparation. So it's very important that you copy the link and you post this link on WhatsApp. That's how you prepare your lesson. Now, what's the result of this? The you have the words here. You can review these words as many times as you wish. You can listen to a pronunciation of both the word and the meaning. And then you can play with these words. For instance, there are options like learn. They give you instruction, and then you have to match the word with the picture. There are other options that you have as well. You can write the words based on the definition. There's something about spelling. In here, you can practice listening with the words. In this case, we have a mini quiz in which you have to write the words. You can also have some games here, for instance, combine. In my personal view, this is my favorite one. This is the best because you have the words and you have to match with the correct words. If it's something that's not correct, well, it won't match. There's another game you have in here, which is gravity. In this case, you have to write the words. You have to write the words that match with the definitions. But in this case, we need more than 6 words, at least 6 words to do this kind of activity. On the other hand, you can do the other kinds of activities that you have in here. As you can see, the more words that you prepare, the better. Now, after that, you can continue creating new sets and new sets, or you can edit the first set that you have so that you can include new words here and you can practice all of them at the same time. Thanks a lot for your attention.